Hello and welcome to Team Blogging. Team blogging means you now have a fantastic opportunity to be part of a big team of students from many different backgrounds, cultures and beliefs. You will dialogue with this team through your blogs and comments. A blog is like a short article that answers a question about the person who is writing. Reading a blog will make you learn about that person. Dialogue happens when you comment on a blog. When you write something and someone writes back, team blogging becomes like talking in real life, which is a great way to make new friends. How do you team blog? Team blogging lasts a few weeks. Your class will blog in one of these weeks and will comment in all of the weeks. You will either reply to comments that your teammates leave in your blog, or you will comment on the blogs that your team writes. Dialogue with your team is easy if you remember what TEAM stands for. T is for topic. Each week, the blogs will answer a question about a topic, for example, your community. Your comments and your questions should also be about this topic. E is for explain your experience. Your teammates don't know who you are, and they want to learn about your background, your culture, and your beliefs. Your blog is like a telescope that helps them see what your life is like. Make sure you explain and describe in detail so they can see what it is really like to be you. Make your blogs and comments about you. Your team can learn facts on the internet or in a book, so don't tell them facts. Help them see what your life is really like by making your blog about what you believe and your experience. A is for ask and answer. Remember that team blogging is about dialogue, and dialogue happens in the comments. You can dialogue by asking questions, answering questions, or writing a comment. If someone asks you a question, always answer it, just like you would do in real life. M is for meet. Team blogging is like being in a big room full of new people to meet. You meet people in team blogging by commenting on their blogs. Remember that team blogging is about dialogue. A good way to dialogue is to meet a small group of people and then get to know them well by reading their blogs and writing a really good comment. A bad way to dialogue is trying to meet everyone in your team by leaving a lot of short comments. There are a lot of people in your team and it will be difficult to dialogue with all of them. Don't leave your teammates alone in the room. If you see that someone's blog doesn't have any comments, be the first person to meet that person by writing a comment. Remember to introduce yourself when you meet people in team blogging, as you would do in real life. Tell them your name, your school, and where you are from. So, stay on topic, explain your experience, ask and answer, and meet. This is what makes a great team. Enjoy your team blogging.